Really simple ingredients in this one. We've got garlic, we've got our shrimps or prawns, whatever you call them, olive oil, a few other bits with a bit of spice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got my prawn or shrimp there. Now that was 1 kg, 2.2 pound, but it had the heads on. I've taken them off. So let's just say that's 750 grams roughly. Decent size. I've kept the shell on. You can see they're that sort of size, you know. Decent, not massive, but not tiny. Yeah, shells on, and they didn't need to be cleaned out there. Well, there was a few that did need to be cleaned, but I sorted them out. Okay, let's season that up, very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a 1/4 cup lemon juice, teaspoon chili flakes, 2 teaspoons salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons paprika. I'm using sweet paprika. You could also use smoked, which is very nice. So I'm going to give this a little mix, very simply. This is going to go in my refrigerator for about 30 minutes, an hour. You can go straight to the cooker if you want, but I like it to sort of do its thing just for a little while. So I've got a skillet here, and in there I've got olive oil, and I've got quite a lot. There's like a cup there, a whole cup of olive oil. That's kind of part of the flavour. Now, I like to start this off with, I've got a whole head of whole garlic cloves, and I like to add a little bit of onion, so I'm going to go 1/2 cup of onion, then our garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and now we're ready to add our shrimps or prawns. And we're going to go for like just 4 to 5 minutes. They'll cook quite quickly. We're going to be stirring pretty much all of the time. So as you can see, we're 5 minutes in or so. They've reduced down in size as they've cooked. We've got a beautiful sauce there. Off goes the heat. Here I've got some chopped parsley. Just going to run that through and we're ready to serve. Really, really easy. So simple, so delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.